Ha! As promised, we are also vlogging on the way back home. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of traffic. I'm not gonna lie. If there is too much traffic, I'm going to really regret bringing this bike, because this is not meant for traffic. The thing is this, even though this is a naked sport, you would have to slightly bend forward. So there is a slight commitment when you ride this bike. So the more you ride it, the more risk take. I wouldn't say there's any back or neck pain, because I haven't felt that yet, but 100% there is a wrist pain that you get. Or at least for me, I'm about 5'5", I would say 5'5", 5'6", that's my height. And yeah, when you go on very congested traffic like this, look at that bridge. Shit. Okay, can't do anything about it though, but whenever you ride in places like this, it just slowly starts getting to you, man. Might as well ride a super sport. But anyways, I have no idea for how long this traffic is going to be. Smaller bikes can filter through traffic. I can't. I just need to admire the beauty of this amazing exhaust and go slowly. Oh no, standstill traffic. No. Oh, this is going to hurt. Whew. The inside of my helmet is oh shit, it's burning. Should we go to the left? No. And when there are autos, there is no way. And fell. Guys, lesson learned. Even if you have a cycle and if you're going in traffic, have some ethics. Go slowly. Ride responsibly. Okay? Never do what that kid just did. What do we have? Whoa. I thought the cops there are going to take a photo. They have phones in their hands, so, and this exhaust is also loud. Good thing. See, this is a tip for all of you. Whenever you go in traffic like this, make sure you go slow. Make sure your rev limiter is not anywhere close to creating a lot of sound. And if in case you see cops, hold the clutch at least. Big bikes, when they're on an idle, they don't sound very loud actually. It's only when you raise it and they cross a specific RPM, they get obnoxiously loud. Like that. Oh shit, I'm screwed. Oh shit. I'm not even confident enough to filter through this traffic. I mean, if I find a gap that is spacious enough, then I'll go, but man, see, like that, but not that. For all these people in cars going nicely, AC and everything, and this is why I don't get my own bike My 390 also I don't get because of this traffic. It's just 4:15, man, and there is so much traffic already. You know, if the time is somewhere around like 5:30, 6 p.m, you can't move. That's how bad it is. You know what? I don't know if everybody who does YouTube, actually do this. I don't know, because I'm fairly new. What I was actually doing is this. Last night, before I went to bed, I was mostly thinking about this morning's ride, and I was so self-conscious about what I'm going to talk and what would be right content and everything. I was sitting and wondering about all these things, and I was also thinking about how I should start a vlog, like how do I introduce myself. The first thing that came to my mind was trying to pull off a Bruce buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I was sitting and very consciously thinking about what is the thing that I need to talk about. Hey, free road, nice. And traffic again. Shit, I spoke too soon. I don't know. I think it might take a few more vlogs, a few more days, as I keep doing this a little more. I probably guess I should get used to it and get more comfortable with this. If you have any suggestions, feel free to. Okay, you can go, like as if there is space. Yeah, if you have any suggestions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Go ahead. Yes, see, this is what I tell people. Whoever rides scooters, see that small footrest there? Yeah, close it, please. If there is nobody sitting in the back, just close it. It just widens your scooter a lot. That came out wrong. If in case you want to filter through traffic and stuff, you are bound to hit some vehicle. So guys, just close that footrest. You're not using it. You would unnecessarily end up dropping scratches on other people's vehicles. Why do you want that? Would you like it if somebody scratched your vehicle? No. So don't do it. Damn, man, I'm not able to get a little bit of shade also. Wherever I stand, my head region is still burning hot. Traffic is moving. Whoa. Did you see that Dio guy who was just going through traffic like that? Yeah, there was a point when we were all like that. Don't lie, I was like that too. I had a Fiero which I used to go to college with, and I'm not gonna lie, I used to ride like that too. Everybody used to ride like that, man. I mean, like bend the bike completely, and like as if you're going to fall almost. That's how you overtake bikes. Even if you overtake vehicles, even if you have all the space in the world, that is what you would do. That is what I used to do. I would urge people right now to ride responsibly. Buy gear. If you buy a bike and if you're going for long rides, I would urge you all to buy some good riding gear. It doesn't have to be an exceptional or top of the line riding gear. Something to protect yourself, because you never know, it could save your life. I am very paranoid on going on roads that have like little bit of mud. I'm very, very paranoid. I just can't. The only thought that comes into my mind when I'm going is if the front or the rear is going to slip, man. It's too paranoid. What is that balloon? Here also traffic. Why? Oh, there's a Mahindra Thar. Oh man, how did I miss that? No, I actually saw it, but I was busy talking. So, and Mahindra Thar is just pure love. Pure love. Someday I'll get you. should I take this road? Should I take the right? I do not know. No, we'll go straight this way. Come on, let's go this way. Let's give these people I should have taken the right, dude. No. How many things am I going to regret in one single day? Very nice BMTC. Full put indicator. Small bike that's going fast, understandable. Big bus going slow, you need to put an indicator. It's been such a long time since I traveled in one of these buses, like that big one. Automatic buses, yeah, that's what it was, yes. Back in the day, I think like, I think 6 or 7 years back in the day, the ticket prices were stupid high. They were too much. But I do not know how the ticket prices are right now. Maybe I don't know, man. Ever since I got my first Fiero, I've never traveled in bus that much. But even when I did, I used to travel in one of these normal buses, these ones, like these. What? Okay, the horn didn't work for a few seconds there. Actually, you know what? I'll just take a U-turn here itself. I don't want to go straight. Come on, just 10 seconds, man, move. Okay. Actually, rather than going home, I think I'll go and check on my Eve. Let's see if they've finished working on her. It's been 2 weeks and I'm actually starting to like properly miss my bike. Every time I give it for service and stuff, it's fine. You know that you're going to get it in a couple of days, so you're not going to actually miss it. But now that it's been 2 weeks and there's been no update, we'll do one thing. We'll go and check on her first. See? Half the bikers live for that. You know, just to see a smile on other kids' face, man. Alright. Folks, if you have stayed until the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. You will never see this anywhere else. Look at this. How do people do these? Honestly, man, the things that we get to see on Indian roads, I mean, obviously apart from potholes and road rages, magic. We get to see magic.